Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just a quick makeup tutorial on how I created this look, so please keep watching guys. Okay guys, so to start off with, I'm going to be using my Ordinary primer. I've been using this primer for a few months now. I do like it. I feel like it does leave my face really smooth. So I'm literally just gonna like rub that all over my entire face. I'm going to be using my NYX Micro Brow Pencil. I do like this pencil because it comes with a brush, as you can see, and like this shade, I don't know what shade this is. It's like a dark brown, which is perfect for my eyebrows. But all the products I'll be using, I will be listing in the description box, so you can definitely check that out after you watch this video. So I'm just going to like brush my eyebrows up. Sorry guys, I'm looking down because I'm using the mirror. I'm just gonna go over my natural shape with the pencil. Now to clean my eyebrows up, I'm going to be using the MAC. I'm going to be using the MAC Studio Finish Concealer in shade NC45. I do like this concealer. I've been using it for years now, and I feel like it's the only thing that works around my eyebrows. Take my blending brush and I'm just gonna wipe that concealer away on top of my eyebrow. I'm going to get the same concealer I use for my eyebrows and just get my brush. I'm literally just going to tap that onto my eyelid to prep for to act like a base for when I do apply my eyeshadow. I have very dark eyelids, so this really does help it. It just kind of like brings out the colour. To set my eyes, I'm just going to take my beauty blender and I'm going to take my Mercier translucent powder and I'm literally just going to dab that onto my eyelid. This just helps with, you know, to avoid any crease, and it's quite good if you have oily skin as well. Literally just dab that on both eyelids. I'm going to be using my Second Nature Morphe palette, and the shade I'm going to be using, I'm probably just going to do like one shade today because this is like a natural beat. shade I'll be using, it's the Fawn colour, so it's literally in the bottom right. It's this colour here. And I'm just going to take that around my crease and then on my eyelids as well. Oh, sorry guys, I'm just using this fluffy eyeshadow brush. I'm just gonna use this shade. It's called Colour Brick. It's like an orange sort of colour. I'm just gonna go just up above my eyebrow and just like just use the brush in a circular motion. Well, this is an angled brush, by the way, guys. Moving on to foundation, guys, I'm going to use my MAC Studio Fix in shade NW45. I've been using this for years now. I was using Lancome for a while, but I think during lockdown I was just unable to get it, so went back to using MAC, and I'm just going to be using my Real Tech foundation brush on my forehead, cheeks and chin. And literally just go over in a circular motion. Take my Maybelline foundation, and this is the Fit Me in colour 364. I like to use two because I just feel like, I don't know, my shade's a bit different. I feel like the MAC makes me look a bit matte. I don't know, what do you guys think? So I'm literally doing the same thing I did with the MAC, blending that all over my face. Now I'm going to take my NYX Can't Stop Concealer in shade Walnut. I just like to use this for under my eyes, like any dark marks that I have on my face. I don't use this to conceal. I feel like it's quite dark for me. I mean, it's not as dark, sorry. So I'm literally just using that under my eyes before I highlight. Also using the LA Pro concealer in Chesnut, but that's finished. I need to order some more. But usually I'll take like a colour closer to my foundation, a concealer, to just basically go over my dark marks before I put my highlight on, because I feel like if I don't do this step, you probably can still see my dark marks through my highlight. It's like colour correcting, should I say, but just with, you know, a natural like a natural colour. To highlight, I'm using everyone's favourite LA Pro concealer in Fawn. I've used this for so many years, but you know, it's my go-to. I haven't had any issues with it. So I'm literally just gonna use that under my eye. I'm just gonna take a damp beauty blender to blend that out. I'm going to take my Mercier translucent powder and my sponge, and I'm just going to place that underneath my eyes. So guys, the contour I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty what's this? Yeah, the Mocha Mami. The Fenty Beauty in Mocha Mami. I like this, I really do. So I'm just gonna get my brush, and I'm literally just brushing below my highlight. I'm just gonna take that around my face. I'm not gonna take my brush and literally just dust off powder. I'm going to take my MAC Mineralize Skinfinish in colour Dark Deepest. This just kind of helps blend everything together, because, you know, after you highlight, it will make you a bit ashy, so you just want to go over like your whole face with this. Kind of blend everything out. I'm going to bake again. This time I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty setting powder in shade Kunafa. I love her products. The smell is just amazing. It literally just smells like my Chanel perfume. Oh guys, please leave a comment if you have this and tell me what you think about the smell, like the fragrance. Do you like it? Do you not? I think it's amazing. I absolutely love it. So whilst this is baking, I'm just going to move on to my lips, and I'm going to be using the MAC lip liner in Chesnut. I'm sure this is everyone's favourite. Every look I do wear my MAC Chesnut lip liner. Me, or do you guys like tend to use your lip liner as well? I feel like this I've lost about 3 or 4 times, and the other day I thought I lost it, and thank God it was in my car. I thought, you know what, there needs to be some sort of insurance policy, because the amount of money I've been spending on, you know, this Chestnut lip liner, and it just always goes missing. So I'm going to be taking my MAC lipstick. I think this is colour Lustry. I'll leave it in the description box below. So I'm just going to use my MAC lip gloss. I don't remember the shade of this. I've had it for years. So it's just like a nudie sort of colour. Just gonna use that and just go over my lipstick. Away my baking powder. My MAC Mineralize Skinfinish. Just dabbing that under my eye. I'm going to use my MAC Fix Plus and just spray that all over my face. Just going to contour again with my Fenty Beauty. Blusher, I'm going to be using my Zoeva Aristo palette. This is what it looks like. I've had this for a while now. I think it's time for me to get a darker one, but I really love this shade because it's like a highlight. It has like a shimmer to it, and you know, if you don't have like a highlighter or something, this works very well. I'm just gonna use my Real Tech brush and just literally dab that there and just pop it. So now I'm going to be using my MAC highlighter. This has been discontinued. I've had it for years now, but they have discontinued this. Just take my Real Tech brush, dab that in, just literally tap it, and just put that above my blush. So I'm just gonna take my eyeliner, just go over my under eye. Just gonna take my Rimmel Extra Volume Mascara. And this is the final look, guys. I did do my lashes off camera because I'm just so rubbish at doing lashes, so I literally just had to focus. But yeah, tell me what you guys think. This look, I'll say, is like a natural beat, like if you're going, you know, somewhere casual, not too fancy, but the eyelashes do make it look like very extreme, because these are really long for me, but I do love these lashes. But please, as usual, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and please follow me on all my social media platforms and let me know what you guys like to see next. Okay, thank you, bye.